Okay, welcome back to our channel, and I'll be talking on breast pad. We actually received a comment from the YouTube channel that we should use a breast pad to make a hat. You can as well be the person, and if you are the person, thank you for your suggestion. You can also bring up different suggestions, and we can exploit the opportunities to help you learn through this means. So we're doing hats with this breast pad, and I know you've been following the videos because it's always necessary to get the materials you would want. And as you can see, I'm already wrapping this already, and I've also shown you the tools and materials we'll be using. So now I've gotten my crown ready. The next is just to trim the excess off, and then we can now go on to work on the brim. So that is it for the crown. Now for the brim, I'm using this lace material. It's not really a lace material, I can't remember what they call it in the market, but it's also used in hats in millinery. So I'll be using my pegs here. You think you can't use anything in millinery, you can actually do. So just explore your options and you see how amazing you can do things with them. So as you can see, I'm using my pegs to hold down these materials, and as you're holding them down, the shape starts forming. So when you're done with this, just seal up the edges, or you can as well sew them up. But for me, I use a U-gum and a bias to seal up the edges, and I got my brim ready. Okay, you can see the brim is ready. Now I'll be attaching the crown to the brim. What do you have to do? Set your crown to the place you want it to be on the brim. Then you just sew it up to the brim, or you can also do what I'm doing. I'm using gum and my bias to hold them down, and I'll also be using my lovely pegs here. So you see, these pegs are very good, and you can use them and get what you want. So it's getting dry, so I'm more comfortable removing it, so I can really adjust the brim and also make sure that the bias is sitting well on the crown. So this is the reason why you shouldn't even leave the peg for long. It might make your work look rough a bit, so just for it to hold in a while. Then now I'm actually going to be embellishing. Like I always say, embellishment is a matter of your choice. However you want it your hat to look like, it's your choice. So for me, I'll be taking a feather and a flower. I actually wanted to just put two flowers and let it go, but I noticed that I can as well spice it up with a feather. So but before embellishing, we should also remember to attach our headband. So I'll be attaching my headband, and please also consider how your hat will sit before you attach your headband. It's always necessary. So that's just it for now, and after the attaching of the headband, the next is just to embellish, and your hat is ready to wear. now that our hat is ready to wear. But one other thing is I'll need to be covering the edges underneath the hat. Yes, just right here I'm touching where I'm touching, so I'll be using this bias to do that. So, and after you're done, the hat is ready to wear. You can wear it to wherever you want to go. Actually, I'll also be trimming the inner part of it. That's if you notice there are still some small lace lying around, so that's aside. We don't have any other thing to do. You can as well add some pears if you'd want, but I guess with this is okay. So try yours at home or at work, wherever you are. Then get in touch with us at the comment below. We would actually want to make this a fun filled YouTube channel, so bring up suggestions. Let's make it fun while we learn. Thank you, and please do not forget to subscribe. Have a great day.